I get very shy and nervous with certain things, so Bishop really helped me get out of that sense of like comfortableness, coming more out of my shell and getting back into that, oh, you have to do it yourself and you have to be around people to do it. So that was a big step for me, and just that transition. Chef Douglas and Chef Gabby, they really made me more comfortable coming in to the program and getting me out of like my comfort zone. And really, if I didn't understand something or a certain thing, they really took out the time to talk to me about it, come to me about it, and see what they could do to make my experience more comfortable and help me to explore like more into what I want to do. I've always loved cooking. I didn't really know I could pursue a career in it, but the more I learned about it, the more I was ready to get into it. I want to go to work and I want to do something that I love to do, and why not make money doing it? So for me, it was just doing something that I loved and making a career out of it. I get that experience, like to walk across the stage, to have my family proud of me, my friends proud of me, and just being proud of myself. I'm more outgoing and I'm not afraid to accept a challenge now. Like, I'm more into bringing out the best in myself. I want to further my education. I'm looking into moving out of Alabama and experience other things besides Mobile. I'm a big believer in God, and I just say keep God first and He'll lead you the rest of the way.